Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. Today I'm explaining how to log in your Discord on desktop apps. So I already have a Discord account, so I don't need say again Discord account how to create. So in this video I will show just exiting account login desktop application in Discords. So I hope this video totally helpful, so please subscribe our channel and like this video. So I'm just click Discord app on my PC. So this username or phone number and this is password. So login with QR code. I'm just login email address on password. So just paste and paste. Okay, now login and wait, are you human? Confirm you're not robot. So I'm click I am human and just login and click multi-factor authentication, enter Discord auth code, so 6-digit code. So I'm searching my phone and Discord here. I login. Okay, now click extension and Discord. So now code is 175530. now enter. So this code is invalid. What the hell? So again I'm type 582530. so now click on enter and already login. Do you know until quick find on previous conversion on the channel? So check out maybe later. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. So hopefully next tutorial how to create a Discord account. So today's video khatam. Bye bye, tata.